Facebook?
Yeah, if you want. You want to show fireworks?
There's always video on fireworks, that's it.
I might put it on my FaceTime live. FaceTime live, yeah.
Nah, I'm just recording it. Because I can put it on Facebook and YouTube.
You can hear it every time you're saying something, so you have to hear it on the video.
I'm going to put it on
So maybe stop it now and then start it again.
Nah.
Nah.
Because I'm going to put it on Facebook. That's it, we'll talk.